Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How's your day? I hope it's very good. Today I'm going to make a tiny bit line follower. Before that, do you know tiny bit line follower? So, tiny bit line follower is a tiny bit robot that can automatically follow a line on the floor or track. The line usually black or white surface, and the robot uses a line tracking sensor placed underneath the robot to detect the tracks. So the sensor is in here. Okay, if you want to make a tiny bit line follower, all you need to prepare is the tiny bit, of course. You need to prepare tiny bit and micro bit. So this is the brain of the robot. And then you need to prepare for the cable. So the cable is for transfer the code into the microbit. And if you are a MacBook user, I recommend it to you to use the adapter. Yeah. Without ABCD, let's move on to the tutorial. So, first thing first, all you need to search is tiny bit GitHub. And then you can open the link. If you're already in here, you can copy the link. Wait, copy the link. After that, you can go to the Micro. You can make a new project, and the name of your project you can name it to be tiny bit line follower. Can create a new project. After that, you can go to extension and add the link paste in here, and this is the extension from Yahoo. Okay. If already download, it will like show the code. Yeah. Okay, let's move to the coding. Now, on start, you can put any icon. Go to basic and put on start show icon. All icon you can pick all icon you want, and maybe I will take the this one, the those one. After that, you can go to the logic. You need to go time it. After that, take the car control speed run. You can add to 7. You can add maybe 75. Yeah, you can add 75 or 100. You can add with 100. After that, go to logic. Take the if true then. After that, go to the tiny bit again and take the go to the line sensor. Take the line sensor and put in here. If your line is the color is white, you can pick the white. But if black, you can pick the black. But because of my line is black, I will choose the black one and go to the tiny bit. Take the car control speed again and change the run to be and spin left. So if left it goes spin left. And speed you can put 100. Don't too fast because it will make the robot will like error. So you can put 100 or 75. After that, you can add again one sensor disrupt. Oh yeah, sorry. Put in here and change the last state to be in right state. After that, you can go to tiny bit again and where on and can add the color contrast speed to be pin right and change the speed to be at 100. If you want to make the robot more cute, we can take the RGB color bit value and put here, and you can pick the RGB color. So the RGB color is this, the lamp in here, this one. So you can put it. I will pick the pinkish because I like pinkish. The color is like purple but pink, and your code is already done. You can put the put the cable, put the cable into your laptop, and connect it the cable to the microbit like this, and you can download it. But first, you have to connect it the microbit to your laptop. Yeah, it will take. It's not will it not take a long time. So you can see first. Yeah, it's already connected. So you can take the microbit only and put to your tiny bit. Put in here. So you can press it, and it's already done. It, okay, first, and you can, if you have and the paper, you can add the paper. But if you buy the tiny bit, maybe you will get the slime follower. This is slime follower from Yahoo. Oh, let's go to see the result. Turn on it and wait. Why cannot? Why you cannot? But it's already good, yeah, guys. Ta-da! Your tiny bit hand follower is already done. So maybe that's all for my tutorial. You can practice it into your microbit or tiny bit. And sorry if I haven't made a mistake. If you cannot your robot cannot move, you can see the code and make the code like this. And maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I haven't made a mistake. And as you can see, bila taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.